Jain viewers, welcome to AKGC Digital School. My name is Pankaj Singh, Faculty of IT Department. Today I am delivering my second video lecture on subject Digital Social Media and Marketing, and today's my topic is blogging. What is blog? So these are the outline of my today's video lecture. In this lecture we will cover what is blog, what is blogging, and what is blogger. There is a slightly difference between these terms, but I will discuss this term definition wise and on their characteristics. Along with, we will discuss about the purpose and the history of blog, what are the structure of blogs and their outline using latest platform, that is WordPress, and in the last we will discuss about difference between blog and website. So let's start. What is blog? As generally we use word blog, and blog is an abbreviated version of weblog, which is term used to describe website that maintain an ongoing chronicle of information. A blog feature diary type commentary and link to article on other website, usually present as a list of entire in a reverse chronological order. Blogs often features personal reflection, opinion, diary thoughts, experience written in a information, conversational or journal style tone. So what is blog? Blog word is derived from the term weblog. Weblog log means we are maintaining a record in a chronological order, means the things that is latest keep on a top of the web page. So in a journal or in a layman language we are using word blog, right, about the web page that keeping the content and information about the whatever that is relevant to the technology, about the company's profile. And nowadays this term is very popular. Apart from the technical or we can say in a formal format, there are different blogs, website are available regarding travel, regarding food and tech is also. Why blog are too popular in India, or we can say worldwide? Because blog are popular in India due to rapid internet expansion, because nowadays each and every person keep a smartphone in their hand. Before 90s, if we talk, the laptop or smart devices are available in a company or where official work is performed. But nowadays, each and every person in a journal keeping a smartphone and exploring internet over there. So to know about the feature of any product, we first go on a Google, explore it. We will check the review of the product. We will check the characteristics of the product, and we will try to understand about the features, characteristics, review, what type of services a specific company or product is providing. So these informations nowadays easily access using a different blog websites. So the growth of content, like generally we are exploring internet and we see on a different videos on a YouTube that give information about different public places where, that is very popular for exploring, like mountain hill areas, that is a we can say tourist place or picnic place. We also have a number of videos regarding the famous food or tasty delicious food according to the geographical or state-wise, or we can say country-wise, available over the internet. And we also have our techie websites, political blogs that are available now to promote the campaign of any political party, travel agency, or even each and every field keep their blog to promote or to get latest review and share their thoughts with the other community or society that is available online over the internet. So the growth of content, travel, food, techie combined with easy access to platform has allowed individual to build personal brand, gain popularity and earn money. In a beginning, if we talk, blogs are generally for the open platform where a user, customer, or the expert will put their opinion. But nowadays, that is also used for commercial purpose. Few bloggers are influenced towards the product services, or may not. In few cases, blogger give information that is not up to that mark authentic about the product services. So we can say few blogs are biased as compared to other. But as compared to the website of any organization, we can say blogs give a independent or unbiased feedback and information about the product, because that platform is common to all, and we can say that is not a formal platform. Each user and blogger can put their views and ideas over the blog, and he is free to present in any language. Means there is no prescribed defined format to give or present their view and idea over the blog. Some famous blogs are Shout Me Loud, that is a techie blog, Archana's Kitchen, Quick Wonder Travel. These are very famous blogger in which we can easily explore different type of independent, unbiased and expert comment on their web pages. So, what is slightly difference between blogging and bloggers? As we know, a web page or a part of site containing regular update, entries, posts, usually display in a reverse chronological order. As I said earlier, the latest information or latest review or latest comment will see on the top of the blog, and we can easily, if we are inspired or we are agree with the thoughts and idea that are put on a blog, we can also share on other social communities to spread its awareness, or we can say branding purpose also. What is blogging? The process of writing, editing and publishing content, including research and search engine optimization, to drive traffic and build a personal brand or a company presence. Nowadays, different companies use famous bloggers to promote their product over the website, so that the number of visitors will convert into their consumer, or we can say customers, because in today's era, it is very common we are influenced with the words of a celebrity, or we can say the person that are influenced into their specific sector. So that is a very common to promote the product using bloggers. As we know, what is blogger? The person or the group of persons, teams that promote or create the content and will promote on online platforms. The content creator individually or team who manage the blog and produce written, audio, video, text, whatsoever are the medium to present about the company, or we can say product services over the internet. So that is a basic difference between blog means the site, blogging, the platform by which or where we are writing different blogs that are helpful for any company in a research, and we can say in a search engine optimization. And blogger may be a person or a group of person or who manage all these things over the internet. If we talk about the history of blogging, bloggers to only those who know how to build and update web page. If we talk about in 90s or early 90s, blog is only just like a web page that is always maintained by the techie persons that have the information about how to put information on a web page, and they are using different type of languages at that time. If we say in a specific techie form, they are using Java, HTML, CSS to produce the information over the web page. But in early 20s, the platform that is available for every user, on that we are not required to trend in as so much as a techie, or we required any professional certification to work on a WordPress. WordPress is a simple platform just like a Word, Excel, where we can easily explore the different features, and we can easily make our own blog and promote it on a online platforms. So in early 2000, WordPress come along and quick grow in one of the most using blogging platforms, in which a user is having basic knowledge about the technology. He or she can easily make their own blog, in which we have different themes, just like as we work on a Paint and other tools, where we can easily make different themes, different style. Just like if we talk about PPT, that is similar features in which we can easily design our blog, in which there are a specific content management system built on a web technology. It allows user to create, as I said earlier, manage, customize web page from simple blog to complex or commercial stories without need to code. Power over 43% of all website. So if we talk about in term of percentage, that is approximately 43% of all website. So nowadays, just like as we create our profile on a Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, likewise, the person who are familiar or expert in any field, he or she can create their blog and put their individual or unbiased or fair thoughts about any product or services, or what are their specific field. If a person rely or connect with the thoughts or idea of a specific blogger, their blog may be multiply and promote for promotional purpose, and will get appreciation in that term. And nowadays, in a market, there are different type of bloggers are available. As I said earlier, about techie, about food, about travel. And mostly that is nowadays is a trend about in India. Political parties also use a blogging platforms to promote their parties' schemes and attracting the new voters towards their party scheme. So that is a brief history about blogging. Feature of blogging: that is a kind of website, as I said earlier. It may be in a form of text, audio, video, generally promoting the content help of video, and if required, putting the image of a object, or we can say the product, in a very attractive or well mannered. Get the review of the user, promote it on another social media platforms, and so on. Regularly publish content. As I said, if we talk about website and a blog is a dynamic in a feature or dynamic in nature, because website update periodically, but blog update daily, or we can say within an hour. That is depend upon type of blog or the blogger that who is maintaining this blog. Content can be based on different subject, opinion, experiences, news, etc. So there is no foundation that we will put our idea and thoughts in a limited domain. We are free to put our thoughts and ideas along with no foundation of any specific reply format. Just like if we are putting any mail, that is in a prescribed formal format, but on a blog we can put our idea and experience in our own language or our own format. Organize content in a reverse chronological order. Invite interaction also. If a person is expert person, can go on a same platform and share, or we can say discuss their thoughts, idea in a brainstorming time session, and put their thoughts on the specific blog. As a website, there is also a blog structure that contain few parts, or we can say that is division into some specific area or region, where we can put information in a defined manner, so that it will be arranged in a systematic order. These common features are header with the menu or navigator bar, as we see in a web page. Main content area with a highlighted or latest blog page. Sidebar with social profile, favorite content or call to action. Footer with relevant link. like a disclaimer, privacy policy, content page, etc. So there's a defined format, but that is changed time to time. So, and also depend upon type of platform we are using to design or create our blog, that is also dependent on it. But few things are predefined and that are used to put content in a that defined manner. I keep image of few blog structures here like this, and that is the basic structure of a blog. As we see on the top, that is a header with the menu or navigator bar. On the left side, as we see, main content. On the right side, there is a slide bar. At a footer, we have a relevant link or disclaimer, privacy policy, and so on. And the page is looking like this, as the different bloggers put ideas, information, review, feedback on this type of blog page. What is basic difference between blog and website? Why we use blog? So blog is a informal web page where we have a information or interactive mode, because on a website we can't interact or we can't share our view about the content that is available on a web page. But on a blog we can easily share our view, content, and thoughts, feedback about the product or whatsoever we are thinking about, the discussion forum about the things. Blogs need frequently update, whereas website update periodically. Blogs also promote reader engagement. The person that, for example, if any person give any good idea or thought over the blog, he or she will get easily fame and publicity if their idea and thought is acceptable by n number of peoples. Blogs owner update their site with new blog posts on a regular basis. On the other hand, website consists of content present on a static page. A static web page owner really update their pages, because if we talk about a professional website or any website of any organization, the content and information that is put on the web page, that is fixed. Means if that is relevant to a college, it will contain the information about establishment of college, their departments, their students. That is almost fixed, that will not change. But on a blog page we can easily update our informations about the latest trend, what was going in a different area. So in a today's lecture we have discussed about what is blog, history of blog, feature of blogs, and how blog bodies look like, and what is basic difference between blog and website. Thank you very much.